The circular welding machine is not just another piece of equipment, it's a robust, 5-axis solution designed for precision and power across demanding industrial environments. Whether you're running high-volume MIG operations or handling complex component welding, this system delivers exceptional consistency and quality. Let's break it down. The machine features 5 axes, X, Z1, Z2, R1, and R2. The X-axis runs on a ball screw mechanism with a 1,500 mm stroke, while Z1 and Z2 offer 250 mm each for vertical movement. R1 and R2 provide full 360 degrees rotational capability, giving you unmatched flexibility during the weld cycle. It's engineered to handle one component per cycle with one fixture, ensuring high repeatability and minimized changeover times. MIG welding is the primary process here, and the setup includes everything from a 0.8 mm MS wire spool to an argon gas supply at 99.995% purity. Electrical parameters include a 200 to 230 volts AC supply for the SPM and 415 volts AC for the weld source, both operating at 50 Hz. Control voltage runs at a safe 24 volts DC. From startup to shutdown, the operation sequence is structured for efficiency. Both stations follow identical cycles: machine on, axis homing, component fixing, weld teaching, auto mode activation, weld execution, and pneumatic release. With user-friendly controls, advanced safety features, and a rugged 300 kg frame, this circular welding machine is a powerhouse for anyone serious about weld precision and process stability. Engineers, welders, and plant managers, this is the automation upgrade your floor's been waiting for.